Get ready for the dictation. Start. In December 1980, a very brazen, bizarre, and outlandish incident took place, commonly known as Hooch tragedy. The deleterious consequence was that 36 persons who had purchased liquor from a licensed vend in village Kalanwali, district Sirsa, Haryana, lost their lives after consuming the same. Another 44 persons who too had purchased the liquor from the same shop and consumed that liquor lost their eyesight permanently. Numbers of FIRs were registered in which the investigation was carried out by the police. All these cases were clubbed together for the purpose of trial. Orders of consolidation of trials of these FIRs were passed by the session judge, resulting into a joint trial in which 48 persons were arraigned as accused. This joint trial culminated into passing of judgment by the session judge dated August 18, 2000. It resulted into conviction of only two accused persons, namely Krishan and Somnath, for the offences under Section 302 IPC, read with Section 120B IPC, who were directed to undergo imprisonment for life and also to pay fine of rupees 10,000 each. They were also convicted for offence under Section 328 IPC, read with Section 120B IPC, for which they were to suffer imprisonment for a term of 5 years with fine of rupees 5,000 each. Conviction against these two persons were also recorded under Section 61 1A of the Punjab Excise Act 1914, for which sentence of 6 months rigorous imprisonment and fine of rupees 1,000 was imposed on the two convicts. All the sentences were to run concurrently. It appears that case against two persons had abated because of their demise during trial. Apart from these accused persons, all other accused persons were acquitted. The two convicts respondents herein challenged the order of their conviction by filing appeal in the High Court. This appeal has been allowed by the High Court with judgment dated May 9, 2006. The High Court has also indicated the appellant state of Haryana for its negligence which led to the said tragedy and has directed the state to pay compensation of rupees 2 lakh each to the heirs of 36 persons who died after consuming the liquor and pay a compensation of rupees 1,50,000 to those persons who are rendered blind by consuming a spurious liquor. State of Haryana is in appeal questioning the aforesaid outcome of the appeals which were filed by the respondents herein. Before coming to the reasons which weighed with the High Court acquitting the respondents, certain developments which took place during the pendency of the appeal filed by the respondents in the High Court need a mention at this stage. As pointed out above, only two persons were convicted and others acquitted. Neither state nor any of the aggrieved persons challenged the acquittal of those accused. Appeal was only filed by the respondents challenging their conviction. With this, appeal came up for admission before the division bench of the High Court. It passed the order dated May 9, 2001, making prima facie observation to the effect that acquittal of other persons was not called for and the matter required reconsideration by the High Court. Accordingly, the Advocate General Haryana was directed to file an application for leave to appeal against the acquittal of those persons. That order was challenged by filing a special leave petition in this court, in which initially the notice was issued and stay was granted in respect of the aforesaid order of the High Court. Ultimately, the order dated May 9, 2001 passed by the High Court directing the state to file application for leave to appeal against the acquittal of persons was set aside by this court on November 13, 2002. In the meantime, the state government had filed application for leave to defend in the High Court, in which leave had been granted and the case was assigned Criminal Appeal number 348 DBA of 2001. Following the aforesaid order dated November 13, 2002 of this court, said appeal was dismissed by the High Court on February 17, 2003. In these circumstances, the High Court was left with the criminal appeal filed by respondents herein, which was to be dealt with by the court. Stop.